Okay, continuing our six weeks review with problem 3. Which list of integers is in order from least to greatest? So that's key right there. We're looking for least to greatest. So looking at these answer choices, they have all the same integers, just in different orders. I have a positive 24 in all of my answer choices. I have a positive 15, negative 1, negative 17, and negative 28. So since all the answer choices have the same integers, let's draw a number line and place these integers where they would fall on a number line, starting with the origin 0, and I'll place my positive integers to the right, so positive 15 and positive 24. Positive 15, it doesn't have to be to scale, just as long as they're in the right order. I'm going to put positive 15 there and positive 24 there. We know that all of our numbers on a number line increase as you go to the right. So 15 is there and 24 is there. Then just to the left of 0 would be negative 1, and to the left of that would be negative 17, and then left of that would be negative 28. And if we want our integers in order from least to greatest, we start with the leftmost integer, negative 28, and just go in order like this. So I'm looking for the answer choice that has negative 28, negative 17, negative 1, 15, and 24. It's clearly not A. Positive 24 is not the least. Here we have negative 28 in the right place, but then the next integer is positive 24, so that's not right. Answer choice C, negative 28, negative 17, negative 1, 15, 24. That matches our number line, so that one's the right answer. Let's just check D just to make sure. Negative 1, and then we go to positive 15, and then we go back to negative. That's not right. Okay, so that's number 3. Let's look at number 4. The value square root of 14 is found between which pair of whole numbers on a number line? So think of perfect squares. I'm going to look at 2 squared equals 4. If 2 squared equals 4, then the square root of 4 equals 2. Remember, we're talking about a square, and the side is 2, and the area is 4. I can find the area by squaring the side, like I did with this first number sentence, or I can find the side length by taking the square root of the area, like I did with this second number sentence. So we'll think of different perfect squares until we find the ones that are around square root of 14. 3 squared equals 9, so the square root of 9 equals 3. 4 squared equals 16, so the square root of 16 equals 4. Now, I think we've already found the answer, because look, square root of 14 is in between these two, in between a little more than the square root of 9 and a little less than square root of 16. So it's 3 point something. We don't care what at this point, 3 point something. But the key is it's between 3 and 4, between those two whole numbers. So that eliminates those. There's my answer choice right there, between 3 and 4. Problem 5. Which of these number line models represents negative 5 plus 2? Now when we're modeling integer addition on a number line, remember the first integer is the boss. The boss starts at 0. So I'm looking first for a model that starts at 0 and goes 5 to the left, because remember, negative is to the left on a number line, so I'm looking for an arrow going to the left 5 spaces from 0. Looking at answer choice A, the boss starting at 0 would be this arrow, but it only goes 2 spaces to the left. That's not negative 5, so I can cross that out right away. Looking at answer choice B, starting at 0, this arrow goes 5 to the left. Okay, now from where the boss leaves off, am I adding positive 2 on this model? I have an arrow going to the right 2 spaces, so I am. That is negative 5 plus positive 2. And it ends at negative 3, so let's check our work. Would that equal negative 3? Adding integers where the signs are different. When the signs are different, you find the difference. 5 minus 2 is 3. And which integer is further from 0, the negative or the positive? Negative 5 is further from 0. That's why the answer is negative, so negative 3. So that's the right model. Just look at the other answer choices to make sure they don't make sense. This is negative 5, but then we're adding a negative 2. So that's why that one's wrong. And this is negative 5. But then the next integer doesn't start from where the boss leaves off, so this one's wrong. So the answer to 5 is B. Okay, pick up with number 6 in the next video.